Attention all pharmacists. This video is a demonstration of the shake and roll from KemPharm Corporation. In this video, I will show you how to best use the shake and roll to count 100 pills. It is the most efficient way to count prescriptions. It will save your time and save your life, because time is life. With the shake and roll, your work area will consist of a holding tray, an organizer with different counting plates inside, a prescription bottle, and the Helping Hand PharmaTool to assist with daily tasks in the pharmacy. The PharmaTool is sold separately from the shake and roll, but it is highly suggested to pair the two up for maximum efficiency. First, we got to remove the safety cap from the bottle. Sometimes it's tough, so the PharmaTool could assist with that, but this time it was easy. There's cotton inside, so we're going to use the PharmaTool to pick the cotton out. And in a couple tries, you'll see that the cotton will come out and you can pull the rest out with your finger. Now for the fun part. Time to count the 100 pills faster than you ever did before. To assure the best count, choosing the correct counting plate is the most important step. This is a diagram of the different size and different shape holes for each of the counting plates. The shape and size of the pill determines which counting plate should be used for the count. The pills should fit inside the hole with a couple millimeters to spare. A hole that is too big can lead to the pills doubling up inside a hole, slowing up the count. This pill fits too snug, making it harder for the pills to fall into the holes, leading to a slower count. Choose the next plate size up with a little more room for a faster count. Choosing the correct plate to use will become second nature the more you use the counter. I will be using the number 3 plate for this demonstration. First, you place the plate inside the holding tray. Then you pour the prescription bottle on top of the counter. After you pour all the pills out, you just shake it until all the holes are filled. You shake it and you roll it around. You try to get every pill inside one hole, and then you'll get a count of 100. Sometimes you might have to use your finger or a tool to guide a pill inside a hole. Now you have 100 pills counted and 3 left over. As you can see, you only want to count 100, so you just take those 3 and discard them to the side. With every hole filled, you could verify 100 pills counted accurately and quickly. To finish, lift the plate up and put it back into the organizer. Slide the pills to the side of the tray with the opening and pour the pills back into the bottle to finish the count. It will be tough at first because of the amount of pills on the tray. The more pills that are inside the bottle, the easier it will be to pour the rest of them inside the bottle. Take the bottle cap and screw it on, and you are now finished with your count. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the shake and roll counting 100 pills. Look out for more videos in the future on the shake and roll counting less than 100 pills and the PharmaTool and its different uses. I hope you find them helpful and they save you some time. Talk to you later.